Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Veed.io, which is an online video editor that actually promises you to make editing simple and accessible. So whether you are a YouTuber, marketer, or just someone who is looking for an easy way to create videos, this review is for you. So in case you want to check out Veed.io, the link is given down in the description for the latest details and pricing. So as I said earlier, Veed.io is a web-based video editing platform that requires no software installation. It actually offers a drag and drop interface, automatic subtitles feature, AI power tools, and team collaboration features that makes it appealing for both beginners and the professionals. So here, if I talk about the pros of Veed.io, so you can see for yourself that it is quite beginner friendly. The intuitive interface makes it very easy to edit the videos without any prior experience. Now you will also get various AI powered features, like you can see for yourself. You will get AI avatar and a text to speech, voice cloning feature, and more. So automatic subtitles, the background noise removal, and the text to speech can save you time, and it will also help you in improving your video quality. All of the things are also cloud based, which is very convenient. You can edit your videos from anywhere without any need a powerful computer. So if we talk about the cons, so with the free plan you are going to get a watermark. So the free version will add a watermark, so you will need to go with the paid plan. But don't worry, I have a discount link in the description that you can use if you want to try out its pro plan at discount. The second thing is that the internet dependent. Since it is cloud based, so sometimes when the internet connection is slow, it can definitely affect your problem. But I guess these two cons are easy to cater for you. But So if you want a simple yet powerful online video editor, Veed.io is a great choice. It is ideal for quick edits, for social media content and marketing videos without any complexity of the traditional softwares. So if you want to try it out, again, you can just use the link in the description. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell as well for these types of honest reviews. Thanks for watching. I will see you.